Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable console sharing and offline play on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So maybe PlayStation Network is down and you want to go ahead and play offline. You need to go ahead and have this setting turned on, otherwise it will not work. So let's go to settings right here, scroll on down to where it says users and accounts. Now on the left side, let's go on down to where it says other. And then go to the right and go to console sharing and offline play. Allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to play your games and media, even when the console's offline. So we got to select this and go to where it says enable. Now you're only able to have one PlayStation 5 enabled at a time. Otherwise, you're going to go ahead and get this message. Now, if you don't have access to your previous PlayStation 5, you can go to Sony.com, PlayStation.com, and sign in and deregistrate all of your consoles, even if it's already set to console sharing and offline play. You can do it remotely, come back to this, and then go to enable, and then you can play your games offline, no problem. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.